Slowly, gently open your eyes. 1 foot distance between your feet. Hands on your wrist. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Turn to the other side. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Chin to chest. And look it. Drop your head on your right shoulder. Center. Other side. Center. Right side. Center. Left. Center. And right. Center. Left. And center. Look at your right shoulder. Center. Left. Right. With the exhalation, look at your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. One last. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. A rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep your eyes open. Inhale, bring your head back. Exhale, front. Inhale and exhale. Complete rotation. And slowly and relax. Now shoulder rotation. Inhale, roll your shoulders up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Open your palms wide open in front of you. Wide open. Make a fist, tight fist. Wide open. Tight fist. Rotation. Wide open and make a fist. Now rotation. Gently smile on your face. Opposite direction. And open your elbow. Bend your elbows. Straighten your arms. Now inhale, elbows up. Exhale, bring it down. Keep gazing in front of you. Don't drop your eyes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Opposite direction now. Inhale, bring it up. Turn कर लो. इधर कर लो. Front side कर लो. Now opposite movement. Inhale, bring your shoulders up. And inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax. 2 feet distance between your feet. Rotate your hip in clockwise direction. And then gently in opposite direction. And relax. Now bring your both the legs together. Bend your knees. Put your palms on your thighs. Gently rotate your knees. Very gently. Rotate your knees in clockwise direction. And then anti-clockwise direction. And relax. Now toes pointed down towards you. Down, towards you, down and towards you. Now rotation with the same leg. Ankle rotation. Gently clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep the gentle smile on your face. With the other leg now, toes pointed down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Now rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. And relax. Raise your hips up and bring it down. Next, only hips. Bring it down. Heels up. Bring it down. Heels up. Bring it down. One last, heels up and down.